Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Zapier with Instagram. In this walkthrough, we'll set up an automated workflow, or Zap, that reacts when you post new content to Instagram and then sends that data where you need it using a webhook. By the end, you'll understand the purpose behind each click and how the pieces fit together. Start by heading to the Zapier homepage. From there, click Create in the top left to begin building a new automation, and choose Zaps to open the visual editor. The editor is split into two parts: the trigger, which starts your workflow, and the action, which runs after the trigger fires. Begin with the trigger. Click the trigger section to choose your app, then search for Instagram. Select Instagram for Business. This option works with business or creator accounts connected to a Facebook page. If you're prompted to connect your account, follow the on-screen authorization so Zapier can read your posts. Next, choose the event that will kick things off. Select New Media Posted in My Account. This means anytime you publish a new post, such as a photo, video, or reel, Zapier will detect it and pass along key details like the caption, media URL, and timestamps. If you manage multiple Instagram accounts, be sure the correct one is selected during setup. Also, double-check that the Facebook permissions include access to your Instagram account and content. With the trigger defined, move to the action side of the Zap. Click Action to choose what happens next. In the app search, type Zapier, then select Webhooks by Zapier. Webhooks are a flexible way to send your Instagram data to virtually any service or endpoint that accepts HTTP requests. After choosing the app, select the event named Custom Request. This option gives you full control over the HTTP method, the destination URL, headers, and the request body, so you can shape the payload exactly as your receiving system expects. For example, you might include fields like the media URL, caption, permalink, and publish time. Mapped from the trigger data. If your endpoint requires authentication, add it securely in headers rather than in the URL, and avoid placing any sensitive tokens in the payload unless absolutely necessary. At this point, you've defined a clean flow. Detect a new Instagram post, then deliver its details via a custom webhook. Before you put it into daily use, verify that your Instagram account is business-enabled and that all permissions are granted. When configuring the webhook, confirm the URL is correct, the method matches what your service expects, and your field mappings are accurate. Test the Zap with a recent post to confirm everything looks right, then you're ready to automate your Instagram workflows with confidence.